I chose to do a moisturizing mask today because my skin has been so dry and dehydrated, and it's like no amount of water or product that I put on it is fixing my skin, and it's really frustrating. I did get a facial a couple days ago, which is why I opted to not do an exfoliating mask today, but I will include in the caption below my favorite DIY greens exfoliating mask. It's super easy. It's like 3 ingredients. You can add as much as you want to it, and it's super awesome, and it leaves your skin glowing and super oxygenated, and you definitely get a little like vasodilation from it, like this really nice flush that's filled with oxygen-rich blood with tons of nutrients in it, so it's like food for your skin. I love it. So I'm going to put that down below. Now let's talk about the mask that I did use this week. It's my DIY Green Moisture Mask. It's super antioxidant rich. It has tons of vitamins and chlorophyll, and I'm going to talk about each ingredient I chose to include. So we're starting off with avocado, which is high in oleic acid and super nourishing for the skin. And as you can see in the video, it's a great use of bruised avocados. All those little bits that you maybe don't want to eat, throw it in a container in your fridge and keep it for your mask over the weekend. Then I added olive oil, which is also high in oleic acid, in addition to being super rich in squalene, which is great for improving the moisture barrier of your skin, in addition to its elasticity. Both of those ingredients can be a little comedogenic, so I felt okay using it in the mask because I was rinsing it off, but I wouldn't necessarily use it in my daily moisturizer. So just be aware, if you tend to get congested really easily or easily break out, try using a lighter oil. You can hop over to my website. I have a whole blog post on what oils to choose for your skin. Then I added probiotics, which I love. It was kind of like a why not ingredient. I use probiotics in almost all of my masks, and so they're filled with good bacteria, and when you use them topically, it helps reduce the bad bacteria that actually causes acne. I like using the liquid BioK, but you can also, like I did today, use a capsule and just break open the capsule and include the powder in your mask. Extra little trick, if you are having like a full-on breakout, get a BioK or use a probiotic thin layer of mask on its own overnight, and it'll significantly reduce the inflammation and bacteria in the skin by the morning. Okay, honey. So honey is great for every single skin type. It's soothing for irritation. It's antimicrobial for breakouts and acne. It's anti-aging with tons of antioxidants. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, and it always leaves your skin glowing. No matter what your skin type, use honey in your mask. And I always opt for raw organic honey. And if you can afford it, look for Manuka. Okay, now the green part of my green mask. I use liquid chlorophyll, which is high in vitamins A, C, E, and K. It's super oxygenating for the skin and has tons of antioxidants. I also used organic matcha powder, which has a lot of chlorophyll in it, so you get all of those same benefits. In addition to being a little detoxifying, it'll help soothe topical irritation in addition to fighting free radicals. So that's my green moisture mask. I hope that you liked it. Feel free to sub in and out any ingredients that you want. And again, check out the blog post. There's a lot of information, and I think it'll be really helpful for you to navigate DIY masks at home. I created a hashtag OEDIY mask, Organic Esthetician DIY mask, on Instagram, and I linked all of my DIY mask posts that I've done over the last couple years under that hashtag. So if you search that hashtag, you'll find like 7 or 8 posts. And I would love to see what you guys come up with if you're inspired to make your own mask. So if you post a picture of your DIY mask on Instagram, make sure you use the hashtag so I can see. Alright guys, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe as well. Share this with your friends, post it on Facebook, get it out there in the world. I love helping people with their skin. And if you have any questions or comments about this video or any other skincare topic, reach out to me in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing from you. All right, guys, I will see you next Monday. Have a great week. Bye.